Hi tea friends, happy advent calendar season, and I'm very excited to just go and start December with like everyday different teas. So super cool. I don't know my plans yet as far as how am I gonna be recording this. I know it's kind of late because it's already December 1st, but I'm just gonna show to you guys exactly what is inside of each door, and then probably like on Saturdays, because my days off, I will probably do more of a vlog where I try teas and you know, things like that. But I'm gonna start with the Bird and Blend 24 days. Sorry, there's so many calendars in here. I mean, comparing to my other tea friends, it's not that much, but so I'm gonna start with the 24 days of Bird and Blend. I got 2 Bird and Blends and 2 DavidsTeas to open, so every day is gonna be pretty much like that. So for Bird and Blend, this one here is a dog treat. I want to open the 24 days. Okay. Here, door number 1. It's a black tea. They have a cute design in the back of it. It's so cute. So door number 1 for Bird and Blend. Salted caramel lepcochin. I'm probably butchering this. So that's for Bird and Blend. And then I'm gonna go to the DavidsTea regular 24 days of tea. Door number 1. Does anybody else have problem finding numbers upside down, or it's just me? Anyway, I don't think there's a door number 1. There is. Okay, door number 1. Let's see what DavidsTea has to offer that day. Let us know. Oh, I love that tea, especially as a latte. It tastes like a eggnog or something like that. It's very good. It's a green tea. I had it before. I think it was one of my first reviews in this channel. So I'll probably make it to take to work with me right now. Then I'm gonna open the matcha one. I'm not even gonna lie, I broke into this one already. I never tried their flavor matchas, and I really wanted to know what they're all about. So I already broke into those. So it's empty. I think I broke on the first 5 days of this one, and then after that is all surprise. But this one was the pumpkin pie matcha. It was very good. It took me a while to like this because I thought it was weak, but then my friend Tizo Jen taught me how to do it. She said for me to mix with the regular matcha, so it's not too sweet and not too weak in flavor, but it was very good after I got the hang of it. And you know, pumpkin matcha, I recommend that one definitely for sure. Okay, and then the last one is the dog treat and a human treat from Bird and Blend. Just because you heard the word treat, you came by, right? It's a sellout. Okay, so for this one here, I broke into the teas as well because I had never tried the Bird and Blend, and I wanted to see what was all about. So all the teas in here pretty much already had, unless was something that I didn't fancy. So you open day 1 and there's a dog treat inside. My dog is drinking water right now. And then day 1 for the human treats is a bag of tea. I folded back, but I already had it. Fairy Tales of New York. Let me see if I remember. Rooibos coffee. Oh, this one is like a coffee taste. It was good. Nothing that I would buy again, but it was definitely good. It had this very coffee creamy taste, so it was good. But had that one. Cooper, do you want a treat? A treat for your doggo. See the ingredients on the back of the box. Okay. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? He's looking at me like, really? Frenchie. We'll see. I hope he likes it. Go for it. Come on here. Come on here. Come have a treat. But that's all the calendars that I got this year. The one for me and my dog, the one for the regular 24 days, and both of this actually smells good. Anyway, let me see if I can show my dog for you guys. Do you want a treat then? Easy, easy there. Looks like he likes it. But anyway, so for every day here in December, I'm going to be posting me opening the calendars. I do want to make day vlogs for you guys, but I'll probably do that on the days that I'm not working, but you guys gonna see that. But that's it. I think I'm gonna make a cup of the lettuce snow and take it to work right now. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you tomorrow.